What's up, everybody? This is the Sanyo 21 back once again. And what you're looking at here is a Sears ceiling fan, manufactured sometime around the mid to late 1980s. The OEM of this fan was Sanyo, which is the same manufacturer who made Lasco fans back in the mid to late 80s and early 90s. It's a common misconception that Lasco was actually the manufacturer of these fans, but it's actually Sanyo, as Lasco outsourced most of their OEM equipment from Sanyo in that time period. Even their desk fans are made by Sanyo. So this is a 4-speed fan, electrically reversible. It's in a white and antique brass finish. These fans came in either plain or ornate versions. And this particular one has an added personal touch of mine, is that the bottom ornate plate on this fan is not original to it. They originally just had the standard style vents on these fans. But some models had that ornate plate, and I had a motor to one of those models, and I decided to slap it on here since this was a complete fan from the get-go. So pretty cool fan overall. I've always liked this style. We refer to this style fan as the turn of the century because Emerson was the first designer of it, called the turn of the century. So I know Sears probably didn't even name this fan at all, which is the case of a lot of their models. But we just base these fans off the turn of the century. So we'll give this thing a demonstration. So we'll start off on its first speed, on downdraft. The reversing switch is located on top of the motor housing on this fan. As common to these Sanyo fans. Now I'm sure you noticed that I'm filming in a different setting than usual. And that is because I've been doing a lot of work here in the basement, gutting some walls that were inside the basement, and allowed me to open up this area here for an entire row of ceiling fans, which I'll pan over. So videos of those two will be coming up next. You already seen a video of this coat up here. So that allows me to showcase a lot more ceiling fans, and I'll change these out every so often for different ones, just so they can have their fair share of use besides just sitting on my shelf unit back in my fan shop back there. This is the second speed, medium lowish. And we'll take it to its third speed, medium highish. As far as performance-wise, this fan does perform very well. It has absolutely no bearing noise at all on it. It just has the ever so slightest wobble to it, but nothing too serious. And here's high speed. Like I said, this fan really does take off on high. It moves a pretty good bit amount of air too. Shut it down. So there you have it, everybody. That was the mid to late 80s Sears turn of the century style ceiling fan manufactured by Sanyo. And I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody, and we'll be seeing you next time.